Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Richie the Decryptor. I break down the most exciting news into bite-sized and intelligible form happening on the Polkadot ecosystem each and every single week, keeping you updated so that you can make those informed decisions. Be sure to follow me on social media because it only keeps me active and puts the fire in the belly of the beast. Let's get to it. Huge news! We're going to be looking today at Oak Network and their recent partnership, and especially learning about the implementation of auto compounding in liquidity pools. Oak Network, to keep it simple, is a decentralized finance platform and a layer 1 blockchain for DeFi and recurring payments secured by Polkadot. Recently teaming up a cross-chain interoperability project for all parachains on Polkadot to enhance liquidity in favor of the user on their platform. This partnership allows Oak Network to access cross-chain liquidity that increases trading volumes and lowers slippage for all users. But what does this mean for you and why is this innovative? This new feature automatically reinvests the profits earned from any liquidity provision to give favorable returns for liquidity providers, meaning those who participate. What an excellent opportunity. But let's be more specific. The auto compounding feature benefits users directly with reducing gas fees and maximizing efficiency. And this is what happens when we take away or completely eliminate manual compounding. It maximizes your returns if you're a participant and reduces significantly transaction costs. But what does this mean for the future of DeFi? Do not underestimate the significance of this, because Oak Network, with this new partnership, is solidifying themselves as a leading innovator in the decentralized finance arena. Everything happening with central exchanges over the past couple of months has added so much doubt into the market, and people are moving more and more into DeFi. Now, this is huge because everybody from the absolute newcomer to the well-versed DeFi degen looking for an awesome trading experience with very, very good conditions, Oak Network is absolutely determined to come up with groundbreaking features. And never forget, strategic partnerships are the greatest indicator for success of any project. So if you can see and feel how revolutionary this step is, then be sure to head on over and check out the Oak Network website. Take a look at them on social media and follow them for more, because they'll only be coming up with more attractive experiences. So if you learn about them, remember, it all starts with education, and that's why I'm here to just raise the awareness, help you to understand, and then please go ahead, take a look for yourself. That leaves you fully informed and updated on the most exciting news happening with Oak Network on the Polkadot ecosystem now. If you've enjoyed this video, then be sure to like and subscribe, because I'll only be coming up with more, keeping you informed and updated. My name is Richie. Follow me on social media. I'll be seeing you in the next one.